Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enisikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisapothe njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela-ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Izolo sibikile ngo-Double T MK Party. Nalapho khona sifunde iletha ekuthiwa ibhalwe uDr John Hlophe eyibhalela uNhlamulo Ndlela emtshela ukuthi akasesiyingxenye ye-Whippary team. Emveni kwalapho saphinde safunda iletha ebhalwe uDr John Hlophe ebhalela uJacob Zuma ebika ukungaziphathi kahle kukaNhlamulo Ndlela kanye noDuduzile Zuma. uNhlamulo Ndlela kukhulume ne-Newsroom Africa mayelana nalezo nsolo lezo nalawo maletha lawo. Sizocapha udaba lwakhona. Ngiyacela-ke ngaphambi singene kulo, like ividiyo.
So nje ningadidiseka lo mkhonto wesizwe, ningaze nimbheka. Ikhona vele into emalangeni ebikade izama ukuphushwa, asazi izophasa ngoba sesiyazi phela ukuthi umama lo Colleen Makhubela bazama ukumngcolisa kube ngazuthi akathembekile, yabona, usebenza noShivambu, uyayibona njani, bazama nje ukumbheca ngale yanto leyana. Kodwa ke leyo akuyona into engicabanga ukuthi mina mhlambe ingasikhathaza ngoba iyamanga. Ingakho ngithi mina uma uyimemba umkhonto wesizwe zihluphe ngawo umkhonto wesizwe, wenze sure ufuna naye ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyazi ngawo uyovikela, ngoba ubaba uHlophe yena ushawelwa manje ukuthi usekela uColleen Makhubela, ushawela lokho phela manje uHlophe. Ingakho yonke le propaganda le ephushwayo nje kwi-media, eliphuma nje kwi-media, liphuma kwi-media, ithiktshela kwi-media, iphonswa yile fole. Ibona phela abangani be-media, angithi. So nje ningakhathazeki bami umkhonto wesizwe, into engekho leyo. Zihluphe ngeqembu lakho, azingeqembu lakho. Baphusha kahle kabe eParliamente, yonke into right eParliamente. Ba-happy futhi ngo-chief whip wethu, ba-happy futhi ngobaba uHlophe. But nje ile 4 nje le funa khona lo yedwa udidiswa ile 3 le.
Angeze ukuphawula lutho, kodwa lo baba bekhuluma la ungomunye wabantu abazi izinto esingazazi thina, futhi ungamunye wabantu one-access e-information, kodwa kayona imember ye-National High Command, kodwa une-access e-information eku-National High Command. Njengoba esho ukuthi kahle kahle la umuntu okuliwa naye mawubheka mawulalela ngokukhuluma kwakhe, umuntu okuliwa naye la uFloyd. Ngakho-ke umuntu obonakala sengathi akaphawulile lutho olubi ngoFloyd noma akamthathi kabi uFloyd noma akakhombisi ukuba nenkinga noFloyd, ngoba ngesingabo fanele ube nenkinga noFloyd kuze bakubone ukuthi ugqishe ebuthweni labo. Ngakho-ke uma umama uColleen Makhubela ekhombisa ukungayingeni, akakhulumi into ezinegative nezipositive ngoFloyd, uziyekile nje, asazi-ke ngaphakathi, kodwa lokho kumenza ukuthi bambuke njengomuntu osebenza noFloyd. uFloyd uyi-threat kulabantu noma ebhizi nokuconsulta. Manje nje basho ukuthi ijaji uJohn Hlophe yena ushawela ukuthi kuyo yonke lento eyenzakalayo usekuColleen Makhubela, kanti bona bafuna ukuthi bethi uColleen Makhubela usebenza noFloyd, okusho ukuthi ekugcineni bazogcina bathi ijaji uJohn Hlophe usebenza noFloyd. Angisho kanjalo, kodwa lokho sikuthathele enkulumeni esizwile kwividiyo. Asicaphe ukuthi utheni uNhlamulo Ndlela. Kuseyintatha manje funeka ngisheshe ngiqede ukurekhoda ngilale ngingaze ngezele la.
Who speaks to us from Johannesburg this evening. Ms. Ndlela, good evening to you. Thank you very much for your time. I'd like to start with your status as a member of Parliament. There is a letter circulating bearing the signature of your leader in Parliament, Dr. John Hlophe, and this letter simply says that you are removed as part of the team in the Whippary. Can you confirm whether or not that is authentic?
Yes, no, good evening, Oli, and good evening to your viewers. We have seen, and I've also came into contact with that letter via obviously social media as it was trending and circulating. Let me categorically state the following. I've had a conversation with the party leader, Dr. Hlophe, and party leader then said to me, in his response to say, Sompisi, he refers to me as Sompisi, my digital signature has been abused. And I pretty much left it at that. So effectively, I've never seen that letter in its physical form. I've never received it. And when I spoke to the deputy president and party leader in parliament, that was his response to me, that his digital signature has been abused. And I guess that in of itself is telling.
Yeah, and I take it, therefore, that that would go the same for Ms. Zuma Sambula.
Well, I guess we're referring to the same letter, is my understanding based on your question.
Yeah.
Ngoba umuzwa kuNhlamulo Ndlela yena uyayiphika iletha. Uthi akayazi uyibone nje ku social media uma embuza uDr John Mandla kayisehlophe ngayo. Into amtshele yona nje ukuthi i-signature yakhe i-abusive, i-digital signature yakhe i-abusive. Okusho ukuthi lilonke uNhlamulo usitshela ukuthi incwadi lena beyifake. Ya beyifake ngokusho kwakhe. Angeke ke ngimphikise, angeke ngimphikise. UThembeka ku-X yakhe ubhale kanje. Uthi I repeat ngiyaphinda. Ngamsupport uZuma since 2005 kodwa uthando lwami lwehla ngenkathi exosha ama-members awu-20 of parliament kodwa wahluleka ukudiscipline uDuduzile. Uxosha uFloyd bekungokugcina. Ngiyajabula ukuthi angiyona impumputhe futhi angithembekile kuZuma or any leader. Ama-political leaders asithatha njengey'lima. Angeke ngisho lutho, ngeke ngiyihlaziye le nkulumo, ngeke ngisho lutho. Asiqhubeke size ukuthi utheni uNhlamulo uma eqhubeka.
All right. Let's then move the conversation to Colleen Makhubele, the Chief Whip. What is her status in regard to that very position I've just mentioned, Chief Whip?
So Honorable Colleen Makhubele is the Chief Whip of the MK caucus and MK party in parliament. That has never changed. Let me just also touch on the fact that, when they refer to whippery, yes, we make changes within whippery. Let me just also highlight this, because at one point I was communications whip. I had to step down because we had said that we want to obviously bring about gender parity. In actual fact, before she was even Chief Whip, Honorable Colleen Makhubele was then, I'd actually nominated her to lead in that role as communications whip, naturally because of the roles that I play and the fact that, one cannot be in or playing all multiple roles. And I gave her that role. So she then continued as Chief Whip of Communications, and then she became the Chief Whip of caucus. So there's nothing, quite honestly, that is untoward within the caucus. The caucus is strong, and Honorable Colleen continues to be our Chief Whip in Parliament.
Uthi uNhlamulo lana Honorable Makhubele uyena wamnominate ukuthi azabe communication whip. Yazi ngithi uma ngizwa le nkulumo ngacabanga ukuthi konje unoduduzile scheme sakhe, so vele angasho ukuthi usibani akanominate anikwe iposition ethize ayithole ngenxa yokuthi unoduduzile esayidini lakhe. Ukucabanga kwami nje lokho uma ngizwa le nkulumo ayibekile. Kodwa uyaqhubeka la uyaqinisekisa ukuthi uColleen Makhubele uChief Whip womkhonto wesizwe party usho njalo.
So where does this come from? Who has all this time to put together what appears to be authentic letters and, as you've now said, who then goes and takes the electronic signature of Dr. John Hlophe and proceeds to append that signature on these letters? Why would this be the case?
That's a very good question. That's one of the things that we obviously have to get to understand internally. But besides everything else, I think if it pertains to caucus itself, caucus is stable. Naturally, we don't discuss no political party, and that's the whole point of it being called a caucus, isn't it? We'll discuss issues that of caucus or strategy in Parliament with any external sources or publicly. So, pertaining to the details of caucus itself, I am not in a position to discuss that, as I said, for natural, obvious reasons. But when it comes to letters that are floating around and being circulated in social media, that's something that we obviously need to get a grip on and get an understanding as to where is this coming from and how was this signature appended and actually who appended that signature.
Yeah. Before I move on from this, you say that you're not at liberty to discuss the content of what is discussed at caucus, but there does appear to be one particular issue, and that is Ms. Makhubele's express support for Israel, which, according to this letter, goes against the party's values. Is there any substance to that claim?
Well, look, the party's posture on pertaining to Israel is very clear. It's in our people's mandate. And we still believe that in a free Palestine, you'll have seen in many of our campaigns, we've been involved in those kind of campaigns, that we are a pro-Palestinian from a policy posture perspective. Now, when the issue of Israel comes in, I'm not sure if that is coming from maybe some of the comments she may have made, I'm not sure, or if this is being referred to off the back of maybe comments that were made by her in her previous role as the leader of SARA. I'm not sure where this is coming from. But what I need to put across is that she is the chief whip of Umkhonto weSizwe, and she continues to be the chief whip of Umkhonto weSizwe within Parliament.
Is there a letter by members of Parliament from your party that has been written to the leader of the party in Nkandla, former President Jacob Zuma, raising the issue of the chief whip and her supposed conduct?
I was made aware of the same letter, by the way. I was not party to that kind of a letter. And I was made aware of that letter myself today when I received it from, the journalists. So again, in the same way I received the initial letter from journalists, I received this one the same way. So I am still to obviously get confirmation on that. But that's I guess the situation that we're faced with right now, the fact that there is a letter that was leaked and it's made public.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi asimbambe uNhlamulo Ndlela la ngoba kuyilona phuzu belihamba phambili bekungukuthi akaphawule ngalolu daba lalamaleta esiwatholile. Noma ke yena ethi uDr John Dlobo khala ukuthi signature yakhe abusiwe. Okwesibili iletha yesibili abuzwa ngayo ukuthi akaqinisekisi ngayo. Kodwa aqinisekisile ukuthi uColin Makhubela usesewuchief whip. Inkinga ukuthi lolu daba lithinta yena ngqo uNhlamulo njengoba kuthiwe nguyena ngqo ongamhloniphi uchief whip ebambisene noDuduzile. Kuthe uyena ngqo. Yingakho ngithe mangizwa leya nkulumo kaBaba uKhomo ngacabanga ukuthi konje ubani umuntu wokuqala wakhombisa nje ukungahambelani sidalo noFloyd kwaba uDuduzile. Manje mayisethi ulokhuzane uBaba uKhomo uColin Makhubela ushawela ukuthi ubonakala sengathi usebenza noFloyd. Vele umuntu ovela wafika kuqala engqondweni nami kuba uDuduzile. Kuthi nanga umuntu owaphumela obala esaziyo vele ukuthi uphambene noFloyd, kwathi noma uFloyd ememezela ukuthi kwi-National High Command bathatha isinqumo sokuthi abantu ngeke besaya kuJacob Zuma. Uma kuney'nkinga sebezozikhuluma kuma-structures. Kodwa abantu abanjengoThabiso, uMary Phali, uKhehlelezi bagcina beyabona eNkandla bangena ngaye uDuduzile. So uma ngabe iletha ikuveza lokhu
kokuthi labantu laba bamhlonipha uChief Whip bese ubaba uKhomo ekuveza ukuthi hhayi inkinga nje abayilwisela uChief Whip iyodwa ukuthi babona sengathi usupport uFloyd noma usebenza noFloyd. Kukwenza lokhu ubone ngokusobala ukuthi le nto eshiwoyo noma bangayiphika bona kungenzeka kuba yiqiniso. Angisho mnti iyiqiniso kodwa sithi sizulu ayinuki ingoswanga. Bengeke kuvele kusukelwe indaba engakhona into eyenzekile. Ukuthi phela uma ukhulumela iqembu uyawuphusha ukuthi ufuna i-image yeqembu ibe indlela ethize. So kunezinto kufuneka uzikhulume ukuze uvikele iqembu njengomkhulumeli walo. Ngiyacela ukuma la. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Mina nawe kodwa sidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.